Right now, the Princeton Review has us listed at 38th overall for international game design programs of all the programs that are done internationally. What makes us good is because we're a project-based design. The last 2 years that the students are here, they build projects as teams. And most of the other places that we compete with for students don't do that. Programs like USC and the West Coast, they're big programs. They have a lot of people in them. So number one, we're a quarter of the cost, and we're local, so our students don't have to move to East or West Coast. They don't have to move, 2 states over to have the same thing that we're doing, the same things that the big schools do. We are unique because we do a team-based approach, and we put the heat on the students to learn how to be people on top of just being game developers.
Having access to Peter and Eric as like a source of like help, along with like the other people around here, but having the ability to come here at any time, even outside of class, to work on projects or work with friends, helps you out a lot.
Well, AI has just gone crazy in the last 2 years, right? And we have to stay up with the trends, or else our students graduate and they have no idea how to use AI. We encourage them to use the latest and greatest things. The game engine that we use, Unity, is updated every 6 months. We try not to necessarily be on the bleeding edge of that, but we're close to it. And the faculty are always doing stuff in the game industry.
I think that the collaborative is very nice because I get to know my team members, and it is great, like real world practice, because I'm going to be working with like a team someday in the future, and this is just a nice like stepping stone to teach me to learn to work with other people.
We're constantly testing, we're constantly trying to make the program a very cohesive group of people from freshman to senior, so that the freshmen know what the seniors are doing and they know what to expect, so there's no surprises as they go through the program.